Understanding the Cyclopean View in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an intriguing phrase, Cyclopean View. Understanding such phrases not only enriches your vocabulary but also enhances your comprehension of English literature and conversation. The phrase, Cyclopean View, originates from the word Cyclops, a mythical giant with a single eye in Greek mythology. When we say something is cyclopean, it usually refers to something huge, ancient, or massive. However, a cyclopean view metaphorically means seeing things from a singular, often narrow perspective. It emphasizes the limitation of seeing or understanding a situation from only one point of view. Let's see how this phrase is used in different contexts. 1. In literature, authors may use cyclopean view to describe a character's limited understanding or perspective. It suggests that the character is missing the bigger picture or other important aspects. 2. In everyday conversation, if someone is accused of having a cyclopean view, it means they are being criticized for not considering other viewpoints or aspects of a situation. It's often used in debates or discussions to highlight narrow-mindedness. To use this phrase effectively, understand the context. It's best used in situations where someone's perspective is limited or one-sided. Be descriptive. You can use it to describe situations, opinions, or even architectural structures in a metaphorical sense. Be cautious. Remember, it can have a negative connotation, so use it carefully in conversations. I hope this video helps you understand the meaning and usage of Cyclopean View. Remember, exploring phrases like this not only builds your vocabulary but also deepens your understanding of the English language and its nuances. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.